Retiring early sounds like a dream, right? Waking up without an alarm, sipping coffee on a Tuesday, maybe even moving to a cabin in the woods or a beach in Portugal. But what if you're broke? Like, I just checked my bank account and it sighed at me kind of broke? Don't worry, you don't need a trust fund or a six-figure salary to start working toward early retirement. You just need a plan, a mindset shift, and some historical insight to help you outsmart a system that was never really built to make you free. Retirement isn't an age, it's a number. Let's clear something up right away. Early retirement doesn't mean you never work again. It means you reach a point where work is optional. You're financially independent. You can spend your time how you want. Travel, volunteer, build things, nap, whatever. And no, it's not too late. Whether you're 22 or 42, the path starts with understanding how people, especially ordinary people, have pulled it off before. Early retirement is about building a life where time is yours, and that starts today. Number 1, know your FIRE type. FIRE stands for financial independence, retire early. But there are different flavors. Lean FIRE, you want to live simply, you don't need much. Fat FIRE, you're aiming for financial freedom without sacrificing comfort. Coast FIRE, you invest early and let compound interest do the rest. Barista FIRE, you semi-retire, covering costs with part-time work while your portfolio grows. Pick the style that fits your lifestyle and values. It's not one size fits all, and there's no trophy for suffering through a version of FIRE that doesn't work for you. Number 2, do the math, the 25x rule. Here's where the rubber meets the road. You need about 25 times your annual expenses saved to retire early. Why? Because of something called the 4% rule, based on a 1998 study from Trinity University. It found that if you withdraw just 4% of your portfolio each year, there's a high chance it'll last at least 30 years. So if your lifestyle costs $40,000 annually, you're aiming for $1 million. That sounds impossible if you're broke, but stay with me, because here's the twist. Most people don't even know what they spend. Track your expenses for 3 months. Find the waste. Find the subscriptions you forgot about. Know your numbers so you can chase the right goal. Number 3, cut your burn rate. Reducing your expenses doesn't mean living like a monk. It means being intentional. In the 2008 recession, a lot of people accidentally discovered lean FIRE by necessity. They cut cable, drove older cars, moved in with roommates, and realized they could live on far less than expected. Then some of them never went back to the 9-to-5. Want to retire faster? Spend less. The less you need to maintain your lifestyle, the faster you can get off the hamster wheel. Here are some ideas. House hacking, meal prepping, using public libraries, yes, they still exist, and geo-arbitrage, living in a cheaper location while earning a stronger currency if remote work allows it. Number 4, increase your income without burning out. You don't need to kill yourself with 18-hour days, but increasing your income gives you more fuel to invest. In the FIRE community, a lot of people take high-paying jobs for a short period, save aggressively, then coast. Think of income like oxygen for your FIRE. The more you bring in, and don't spend, the faster the FIRE grows. Here are some ideas: freelance work, digital products, reselling, tutoring, or leveraging platforms like Upwork or Etsy. Use what you know, package it, sell it, then reinvest that money like your freedom depends on it, because it does. Number 5, invest relentlessly. Investing is the bridge between working for money and letting your money work for you. The earlier you invest, the more powerful compound interest becomes. A 25-year-old who invests $500 a month for 15 years, then stops, will likely retire wealthier than someone who starts at 40 and invests twice as much. Why? Time. Start with low-fee index funds like VTI or SPY. Learn how Roth IRAs work. Use your employer's 401k match. It's free money. You don't need to time the market. You need to spend time in the market. Number 6, automate everything. Systems beat willpower every time. Early retirees don't get there by making perfect daily decisions. They automate the boring stuff. Set up direct deposits to go straight into your investment accounts. Use budgeting apps like YNAB or Monarch to stay on track. Let your phone do the heavy lifting so your brain doesn't have to. The more you automate, the fewer chances you have to sabotage yourself. Number 7, track your net worth and your why. We track calories, we track steps, but we don't track our net worth, which is the most important health stat for financial freedom. Start simple. Assets minus liabilities. Your car, cash, and investments minus your debts. Then track it monthly. But here's the key. Don't just track the money, track your why. Write it down. Put it on your wall. Early retirement is hard if you forget what you're chasing. Freedom, family time, travel, peace. In closing, take back your time. Retiring early while broke isn't easy, but it's possible. You're not behind. You're just getting started. The system wants you working until you're 70, but history is full of people who opted out. Not because they were lucky, but because they got focused. You can be one of them. Drop a comment with your fire flavor. Are you lean, fat, barista? Let's compare notes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone stuck in a job they hate. Let's build freedom, not burnout. See you in the next one.